New day, new video about how to do something on the Nissan Gloria. Alright, like usual, we're working on a 96 to about 98P Y33 Nissan Gloria, okay? It's the Gran Turismo model, so if you got a Brogman, if you got an Ultima, I can't guarantee that it's going to work for you, okay? My car came without the factory navigation, so if you have the navigation, it's going to be different, alright? This one has the separate AC unit, the separate radio. This is already aftermarket. I've already replaced this. This is here for the States, so that works here. I'll give you a quick rundown on the tools you need, and then I will go in there and start taking it apart so you guys can see how to basically take this apart if you don't have the factory touchscreen navigation and if your car fits within the Y33 area of Gloria / Cedric. All you're going to really need to start off with is basically a Phillips head screwdriver and some pry tools, really. It's actually pretty simple. First off, basically just going to pop this right here. And then we're going to try to pop this trim panel around here and pull that out, alright? All it is pop pulls all the way around. Be careful, depending on the age and year of your car, this might be a bit brittle, it might break. So just be aware of that. And then from right there, you have two screws down there and right there. Bring you over here real quick so you can see it a little bit better. You have a screw right there and right there. That'll pop out a little cigarette tray, which has my base knob in it now. Because I don't smoke. Alright. Unscrew this real quick. Like the last one, this is super unprofessional. I'm doing it just because no one else does this kind of stuff with these vehicles and shows it off. Put the key in, turn it on position, and pull this back. And the hard part on this is trying to pop it out now. It is not the most easy part in the world to pop out. So you can push in one side, basically get it popped around at the top, and you can pull it forward and pretty much out. So I got my base knob going right through there right now, so I'm just going to leave this right here if I can. It's not going to want to, but whatever. Put this back, and then I can get this thing up, put it up. Now you're going to want to take out this. This is the part. Need to turn all this off real quick. This one's also pretty simple and easy. Basically have the pry tool. You're going to want to basically just pop it out. It pulls right out as well. Alright, pull this over here after dealing with some customers. You're going to have multiple screws on this. This is the part that's probably the funnest. You're going to have two screws right here. You're going to want to take out both of those. Well, actually, no. You only want to really take out this one and this one, as well as this one. And down here, you want to take out this one, and this one, and then the faceplate comes off. So let me get going to work on that one real quick. You're going to be very, very careful with, because a lot of this stuff is old. It's 25, so yeah, I got to be pretty careful. Don't really like taking this stuff out too much. And this one right here helps latch it to the back as well. So you pull out all of this. And the three at the bottom, if I can get it, Then the whole faceplate comes off.
It's over here.
Okay. Okay. Yep. Told you, completely not professional video whatsoever. Super duper unprofessional. And obviously my phone's not going to be connected to the radio right now. And then after that, be careful because clip. And then from there, this is the last bit of it. That screw, this screw, and this screw pulls out the entire thing. You're going to have this come out, you're going to have this come out, and thankfully, you're not going to need an aftermarket fit kit for the aftermarket radio because the stock radio mounts actually still fit. I'm now in the office. It's a bit too hot outside to continue inside there. I'm starting to sweat all over the place. But this was just for 96 to 98-ish PY33 Nissan Gloria / Nissan Cedric. And if you do not have the factory navigation system. Okay, if you have the Gloria Brogman or the Cedric Brogman or the Cedric Gran Turismo Ultima or the Gloria Gran Turismo Ultima, I don't know if it's going to work for you. This is just specifically for the Nissan Gloria Cedric Gran Turismo. Those are the ones that I know mostly do not have the factory navigation system, which takes up the entire faceplate right there, where the navigation and the AC unit are in one. So if you have the model like mine, where it doesn't have the factory navigation, or you have a Ultima model that also doesn't have factory nav, which is kind of hard to find, then this should work for you as well. Hopefully this helps. If not, I'm sorry. I can't really do all different things because I only got the one car. So yeah, thank you for watching, and I'll be coming next time with how to do the doors. The doors are next. Oh yeah.